friends! Today is the day that I tell you about the 13 Days of Horrible Craft series. I know I've been talking your frickin' ears off about it, but here we go. So, the upload schedule for the series will be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time. So that is the 4th, 6th, 8th, the 11th, 13th, and 15th, the 18th, 20th, 22nd, the 25th, 27th, 29th, and then the 13th day will, of course, arrive on Halloween. So that's very exciting. I've got all of my scripts all done. These are all of the stories. Of course, for Halloween, I will be ending it on the best one. And speaking of stories, this year I decided to stick with a theme, so I will be reading the works of one Edgar Allan Poe, and I'm very excited about it. I love his poetry, and I hope you guys are excited about it too. Just to let you know that there may not be a video the first week of November. There may not be a video. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to take the rest of that week off after the 31st. It's still a work in progress, that idea. Also, letting you know that I will be doing a giveaway at the end of the series. Unfortunately, right now it is only open to the US and Canada because shipping prices are god-awful, as I'm sure most of you already know. And I know that I have mentioned this before in other videos, but in case you have not seen those, just to let you know that not every video will be resin based for this series. I am sure you've seen all of the Dollar Tree hauls on my channel lately, and so there will be other crafts besides resin, so hopefully you guys enjoy those just as much as the resin if you subscribe to me only for resin. And yeah, because the poems are not particularly long, these will not be particularly long videos, so it's just something kind of quick and fun and easy for you guys to enjoy. I don't think it needs to be said, but I'm going to say it anyway. The crafts are all Halloween themed, Halloween based, or fall themed, or fall based as well. And I think that's pretty much it. But if you guys have any questions for me regarding the series, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer those for you. And I think that's about it. If you are excited for this series like I am, guys, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. Really does help me out. Also, if you haven't yet and you want to be able to be reminded of all of these, please click the red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching this 3-minute and 50-second video. I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care.